Hey everyone, Tom Parmentier here with MaxHousePrice. I'm here in Fort Washington, Maryland, about to show you guys a project that we're just about to get started on. Here, the seller and their real estate agent took advantage of our win-win home selling system where we're able to take care of renovations that are needed and they don't have to pay us a penny until the house sells. So why don't you guys come in and let's take a look at the house. So this is a townhouse. Again, we're in Fort Washington, really close to 495, built in 1999. House is structurally sound, but it just needs a lot of cosmetic updates. So walking in, as soon as you come in right away, we're going to be replacing this flooring right here. We're going to be putting in a new vinyl tile, and then we're going to be replacing the carpet runner on the steps right here, but keeping the hardwood because those are in great shape and the railings are in good shape as well. Let's take a look in this basement rec room. We're going to be doing the same thing in here. We're going to be replacing the carpet runners, just kind of cleaning up the hardwoods. And then as you come in downstairs, obviously we're going to be replacing all of this carpet in here. So we need some paint in this house as well. So you notice we got this orange kind of paint in here. We're going to be painting all the walls in this house a nice gray. We use a Revere pewter a lot. It has a nice gray and beige tone depending on the lighting in the house. You're going to be painting all the ceilings a nice white. And then all of the trim and all the doors is going to be painted in a bright white. So then when you're done, it's going to look super clean. Nothing too crazy, but it's going to look really great. And plus, that's what buyers like today. They love the gray and the white. It's just it gives a really good feel to the space. So again, great room down here for the rec room. Now as we go upstairs, we're going to have a nice living room in the front. And we actually have a half bath and a really good sized kitchen in here. So again, taking care of the flooring and the carpet runners and painting everything. Everywhere in this house is going to be painted top to bottom. So as you come upstairs, we have this really good living space to hang out in as you come in. So same thing, these walls, they just need to be taken care of. It still has the builder grade. It's never been painted. So again, gray walls, white trim, white ceiling. We're going to be replacing all of the registers and outlet covers throughout the house just to freshen everything up. We're going to be replacing these light fixtures. We'll be putting in a nice brush nickel fixture, just neutral. And if you take a look around here, we have a little chandelier as well in the entryway that we're going to replace this, and everything's going to match and coordinate and look really nice. So as we continue walking through, we have a half bath on the main level, which is really convenient off the kitchen and the living room. So we're going to be replacing the flooring in here. We're going to be putting in a nice vinyl tile. And this vanity, we're actually going to keep it. So instead of replacing it, a real cost-effective solution is to actually paint the vanity. And then we're going to be replacing the top, and we're going to be putting in a quartz remnant. So quartz remnant is great. You get a really good look at a really good price. Replacing this mirror, light fixture, and faucet. This bathroom is going to look brand new when we're done, and we're not going to have to go through a huge expense to take care of it. So let's zoom around to the kitchen and eat-in area over here. So you'll see right away we have a great dining space, so you can get a big table in here. You can be replacing the chandelier in here. Again, everything's going to coordinate. Everything's going to be painted. But check out this kitchen over here. It's a really good sized kitchen for a townhouse. Tons of cabinet space. So this just needs to be freshened up. The cabinets themselves, they're in good shape. It's a solid oak door. But what we're going to do is we're going to paint all of these cabinets white, and then we're going to put in the single pull door hardware. So it's going to look really nice. It's going to be really modern. And then we're going to be replacing these Formica countertops, where we're actually going to be putting in a granite countertop. So it's going to look really nice. A new sink, so you'll have that undermount sink. We'll be putting in a new faucet. Again, replacing all of these switch plate covers, as you see. And of course, we're going to be replacing all of the appliances. So the dishwasher, the range, the microwave, the fridge, those are all going to be replaced, and we're going to put in stainless steel appliances. Of course, we're going to replace this light in here, put something more modern in here. And then what we've decided to do with this back area of this kitchen and this eat-in area is we're going to replace the vinyl floor all the way throughout. So we're going to put in a hardwood looking floor so it's really resilient for any water, and it's cost effective. It's a lot cheaper than putting in tile or hardwood. So we'll be doing that in both of these areas so everything matches with the foyer that we're going to be doing in the bathroom. So it's going to look really great. Excited to see the transformation of this kitchen. Let's go take a look upstairs now. And you'll notice we're going to be doing kind of the same thing, painting everything, replacing these carpet runners with some new carpet, but keeping this hardwood. Everything looks fine with the hardwood. And then as you walk up here, we have kind of this split steps walking up, which is nice. So it just kind of gives it a nice feel. So when this is done, it's just going to look awesome. So we have 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths upstairs. So you have 2 good-sized bedrooms in here. You can see this carpet needs to be replaced, and then same thing, painting in here and putting in new fixtures, so just kind of basic stuff. Doors are good. We're just painting the doors. All the doors are going to get painted a nice white to match all this trim that you see down at the bottom. So again, same thing in here. Just clean this up and bring this up to date. And then as we swing around here, we have a full bath for those 2 bedrooms. So with this tub, you know, we could easily go in and gut this bathroom, but again, a cost-effective way with where we're at and the price point of what we're trying to achieve. It's all about achieving a good return on investment. We're actually going to bring a company in to come in and clean this tile and this tub, re-grout and re-caulk. When we're done, it's going to look like it did when it was built in 1999. Same thing, replacing the flooring. And then painting this vanity. So instead of ripping out this vanity and putting in new vanity, vanity's in great shape. We can just paint it, put in a quartz remnant top on top that just gives a nice feel to it. We'll put in a new faucet, new mirror, new light fixture, new towel bars. Of course, we put in new toilet seats all the time on these homes, painting everything, new vents. It's going to look like a brand new bathroom, but super cost effective. We have a great size master bedroom over here. Actually has these vaulted ceilings, which is a really nice touch for this townhouse. So again, replacing the carpet, painting everything. You actually have a walk-in closet. It's a really big closet for a townhouse. And you can see, I mean, I'm standing in here, there's plenty of space. So this house is really great, really good size. And then we have a really nice sized master bathroom over here. It actually has a separate tub. Again, doing the same thing. We're gonna paint this vanity. We're going to put in the new quartz remnant top. We're going to put in the new faucet, a new mirror, a new light fixture. Just really dress this bathroom up. It's going to look really great. And same thing over here. You know, this is a big tub. You certainly could gut this and put in new tile, but much more cost effective given the price point of what this house is going to sell for. There's no need to tear out this tub and put in a whole new tub and go through all that process. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll be sharing some updates with you as this project goes along. If you have any questions about our win-win home selling system and how you or your clients might be able to take advantage of that, feel free to send us a message or give us a call or text us at 703-215-2144 and we'll be happy to chat. Thank you so much.